What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to introduce a new project to the channel. It's a 2010 Toyota Camry that I bought for my middle daughter who's going to be driving soon. So I'm going to do a little bit of a walk around on that and give you some plans on the kind of videos you're going to be seeing here in the future for that project. All right, here it is, a 2010 Camry. It's got about 130,000 miles. Got it for a pretty good deal. One of our neighbors owned it, so I kind of know where it's been. New tires, brakes. I still want to do a bunch of maintenance on it, so that's what this series is going to be about, is introducing some projects with the car and keeping it running and in good condition for my daughter. Do a quick walk around. It's got some battle wounds, misaligned, hood and panels from fender benders, but no major wrecks or anything, so it's fine. That way my daughter won't stress out when she's driving it, and I won't either. This is actually the first year of the Camry that has LED taillights, so that's pretty cool. Not too bad. I think that'll be a good first car for her. All right, let's take a look inside. Had it detailed, so they really did a good job. I mean, this was all dirty. The seats are in great condition. I'm not a fan of tan interior, but this one's pretty darn nice. All right. This is one thing that I added. Well, actually, the previous owner added the display. This is all aftermarket kit. Looks really OE, looks nice. Looks like a good fit for the car. But I did add a reverse camera. So let's see how this thing starts up. Starts up every time. No smoke in the tailpipe, which is good. It says Apple CarPlay. The AC blows cold. Pretty much everything you'd expect in a well-kept Toyota. The only bummer about this model year is they're known to have this sticky dash. It's really gross, so I'm just keeping this on there to make it not get worse over the hot months while it's just sitting here not being driven. But and then my daughter will take this off obviously when she drives it, but it's pretty gross. I don't know if you can like dig your nail in here and pull pieces of it out. So if any of you guys know of a fix other than going to a junkyard and finding a new dash, let me know. Let's see here. No ticks, no rattles, nothing. The engine looks really solid. But we're going to be doing some maintenance item on this car, so stay tuned.